What's going on, YouTube? Today we will be showcasing the QU50097 Ford IFS axle beam pivot bearing. This part fits either a left or right axle beam on 1980 to 1996 Ford Dana 44 IFS and a 1980 to 1997 Ford Dana 50 IFS front axle. One of these bushings gets pressed into the inboard end of each axle beam, and they're sold individually. Order two to do both axle beams. Do not torque the axle beam pivot bolt until the truck weight is fully on the axle. If you torque it down with the axle beam hanging, excessive twist will be put on the rubber bushing when the weight is back on the axle, which will shorten the life of the part. For more tech notes and applications of this part, as well as where to purchase your own, visit our website at TorqueKing.com. Hey there, friends. We sure appreciate you watching these videos. Check us out on the web at the links down below in the description and do the right thing. Give us a like, subscribe, and a comment on what you saw. Let us know if you want to see a different product featured here. Then hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new content. We have new content coming out every week. We appreciate having you along while we grow this channel. Thanks for watching and good luck keeping your rig on the road.